LenovoLOq. 12th Gen Intel Core processors. Beyond performance. Intel's latest hybrid architecture, paired with industry-leading features, delivers the ultimate gaming experience. Stream, create, and compete at the highest levels. 12th Gen Intel Core processors push your gameplay beyond performance, giving you the power to do it all. Fully powered NVIDIA R, GeForce RTX TM graphics cards. Beyond fast. NVIDIA R, GeForce RTX TM 30 series laptop GPUs are beyond fast for gamers and creators. They're powered by the ultra-efficient NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, which delivers a quantum leap in both performance and AI-powered graphics. Experience lifelike virtual worlds with ray tracing, massively boost performance with DLSS 3, and get a competitive edge with Reflex. Discover revolutionary new ways to create and unprecedented workflow acceleration. Plus, the MaxEQ suite of technologies optimizes system performance, power, battery life, and acoustics for peak efficiency. Enjoy 3 months of Xbox Game Pass on Lenovo LOQ devices. Play over 100 high-quality games with your new Lenovo LOQ laptop and 3 months of Xbox Game Pass including EA Play. With new games added all the time, there's always something new to play. Download and play in full fidelity or play console games from the cloud with a connected controller. See Xbox.com/subscription terms. The power of AI-fueled gaming. Get ahead of the game with Lenovo AI Engine Plus, equipped with LA1 AI chip for a finely tuned system that uses sensors to enhance your gaming experience. A dedicated MUX switch with NVIDIA R, Advanced Optimus reduces latency, optimizes battery life, and increases FPS. Smart engine technology keeps you on top of your game, so you can unlock your true potential. Play hard, run quiet. Move in silence and game loud with Lenovo LOQ's Whisper Quiet thermal solution. Its innovative design includes up to 4 heat pipes, dual 85mm 12V high-speed fans, 28.6% larger air intake, and 24% larger outlet vents. With generous ventilation and up to 135 WTDP, your gaming rig will stay cool and quiet even in public areas or library quiet zones. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions without drawing unwanted attention. Upgrade to Lenovo LOQ 15 IRH8 and keep your gaming sessions discreet. Rugged design, simplicity fueled. The Lenovo LOQ 15 IRH8 laptop sports a rugged, practical, sleek design and a signature gaming rear I/O dashboard.